Today I am reviewing the CORE equipment, 16 foot by 9 foot, sleeps 9 people. Here's the front with the zipper door here. Now here's the inside. This thing is massive. I mean, this thing is completely just massive. It looks to be built really well. It's easy to put together. It doesn't take no time at all. I put it together by myself. As you come inside here, you've got some storage pocket there. And over here you got you another storage pocket. Now up top here, you've got a netting to where you can hang you a lantern so you can have some light. And over here you've got a screen you can open. Well, pull those zippers. And this is with the rain cover on, so with the rain cover on you still have some screens you can open up, which is really nice. And down here at the bottom here you got an air vent hole, so you've always got constant airflow coming in to the tent if you have it completely sealed up. Well, I've seen a lot of tents that don't have that. Without the rain guard you would have, that would be mesh where you could see through. Same with the top. All the way around would be completely mesh, and you could see out, you know, and look at the stars or whatever. As you come out, we'll take a quick walk around. And then down here below would be that window I was talking about underneath the rain guard. I do have the rain guard on. It really only has a total of 4 poles. 2 real long ones, 2 shorter ones, actually 5, and it's got the one at the front, and then there's your air vent. And you come around, and this thing is as tall as me. I'm 5'11", and I can stand straight up and not have to squat to be inside of this tent, so that just shows you how big it truly is. And then over here on one of the sides here you've got an electrical port where you can run you an electrical cord. It's zippered off. You can put your cord in so you can run electric inside to the tent, so if you want to put a TV or something inside. But overall this is a massive 9-person tent. If you're looking for a good quality tent, I highly recommend the CORE equipment, 16 by 9 that sleeps 9. Like I said, very easy to put together. I did it all on my own. So, but I hope this kind of helps you, you know, with picking of your tent. And this is the other pole I was talking about. It's kind of got a little canopy, so you got air coming in with the rain guard on. So, but that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.